What's up, everyone? Civic here. So I do want to say that during this quarantine time, I have been doing some stuff to my engine past week or two. I installed new rotors, drill slotted. They look really nice, and I was hoping to show you guys. And well, here it goes. Later. Alright guys, so if you want to know how to change this whole cover, so what you have to do is change these bolts here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. There's the same back ones back there that line up. So what you have to do is you have to take off this screw will pop off the first cover. But once you take that off, you will be able to take off these 4 screws in the front, the 4 screws in the back, and then you have to take off these 2 screws, and then once you take those off, then basically the cover's off. But of course you have to remove the spark plug removers, and once you do that, then everything comes off. But then I would highly recommend, right when you take everything off, cover the whole gasket area. You have to also put a new gasket cover. Highly recommend. And then also you have to put some Honda bonds in this area, this first area over here and this second area over here, so the gasket could stay in place, and plus it won't leak as well. I would highly recommend that. And then once you do that, you could paint this any color you like. I believe it's for Honda Civic from 2012 to 2015. From Alex or EX. And once you do that, it'll come out like this. You need a primer, obviously, any color you like. I chose gold, had a match with gold, of course, love gold. And then gloss, and then from that it will come out like this. I really like it. Pops out a lot in your engine. And then plus I did the ECU cover and that cover as well to match with the engine, and I really do like it like that. I'm glad I did it. Yeah. And then another thing, I gotta find another cover for this. I want to change that and try and match it with my gold here, and I want to see if I could try to find these covers to try and match them gold. And from there, I think it looked pretty good. Don't mind the battery. Battery's pretty dirty. Engine bay's pretty dirty. I gotta clean all that up. Sadly, it's on SI. I know. But to be for an R18, I think it looks pretty good. Not gonna lie. And then what I did else is that I did do my rotors like I said. Look at those bad boys. Super clean. I really like how they look. Pops out more, you could say. Some say it might be wasted money, wasted time. Why put money in this? But like for these, easy process. You gotta take off the wheel. Once you take off the wheel, you gotta take out the caliper. First would be the 2 bolts to take off this middle piece, and after that you have to remove 2 more bolts that are hiding from the back. And once you take those off, then it gets way easier. You just take off the the 2 screws that are holding up to the rotor. But if they're really rusted, you'll have to use an impact screwdriver to take them off. Highly recommend to get that, to be honest, before you even start everything. If not, you're gonna have super hard time trying to remove it. But overall, it looks really great. I really do like it. Got them from R1 Concepts. Amazing brand. And well, overall, that's what I have done. And then, like I said, done that during all this quarantine. And then overall, you already know the side skirts look really good. I'm doing some big process in this finally. But overall, like I said, I really do like it. All right, later. Alright everyone, so I hope you do like those modifications I did. Something little could be into something big, as you can tell. And then I also do have another seat I want to try put on, but I only have one seat. It's a carbon fiber seat, but it's only for the driver's side. I do want to install that, but I'm not sure when. I still have to see the fitment. I did try last weekend on how to try and take off the seat sliders for my OEM seat and try to install it to the new seat I want to put on, but it's way too complicated. It's too hard to take off, so I'm gonna try and have one of my dad's buddies custom make one for me and try to drill it, make a custom slider. He said that he can do it. He's done it with his truck, other cars as well. He's done it onto a S2K, any different type of car. But let's say maybe hopefully in 2 weeks I could try and install it, and then I'll try to do a demonstration video of how to remove the car seat, when to unplug, and how to install it. I'm pretty sure the installing part is pretty easy. It's only 4 bolts, 2 in the front, 2 in the back, and then 3 wires underneath the seat for the airbag and everything else. But overall, I think that seat is gonna look really good. It is a bucket seat. It does feel way comfy, and overall it will look pretty good in the driver's side. I'm gonna try and start doing stuff on the inside so it could at least look better when it's car show season ready and so what. But I still need lots of process. I still gotta do my carbon fiber hood. I want to try to get retrofit headlights, and from there I'm gonna try and wrap my car. Not all of it, but like parts of it. Yeah, I'm gonna try to wrap my car. I won't say what yet, but it will pop out hopefully. But overall, I really do hope you guys do like how it looks so far. But let's see, time to switch this view around. So I was saying I'm gonna try to get better headlights, maybe from Precision Works. They're about, you could say, $1,000 that I want. And then for the carbon fiber hood, of course, from Sabon. I'm not sure what type I would choose, but I think obviously I'm gonna choose the vented ones. They look really clean, I think. And then for the seats, I gotta really change the seat. I don't like how it looks, to be honest. I want to change that, and then I still have to buy the 5-point harness, and then as well with the harness bar. And from that, I still have to see what else I have to do. But overall, it's still coming a long ways. And then the wrap, like how I'm gonna try wrapping myself, it's probably gonna round up to maybe $600 for all the wrap together. $600 to $800, you could say. and that's gonna save me a big chunk. I asked other wrap places to see how much it will estimate to, and they told me about 2,300, 3 grand, 3,200, and that's way too much. But I feel like if I try to do it myself, it's gonna save me lots of time, save me lots of money. But of course, benefit of the doubt, I could probably ruin my paint and so forth. But hood's already messed up. When I first got the car, someone backed up into me, messed up the whole grill and the whole hood of on the second week of getting the car. And then what else? I think like 2 years ago, someone hit me, rear-ended me, messed up the light, and then the bumper as well. Thank God not the back panels. If they did, then that would have been way too much, and then that would have probably ruined everything for me. But yeah, it's still a process of work. Well, I hope you guys really do like the video, and hope all you guys stay safe. And well, all right, hope you guys do like the video. Peace out.